Do you find budgeting stressful? You're not alone. A lot of people get overwhelmed by managing their finances, and it's not your fault. But the tools I'm about to show you can replace that stress with confidence, without the gimmicks or hidden affiliate incentives. Let's dive right in. Budgeting shouldn't be a burden, it should be a tool that empowers you. And for that, the first step is finding a tool that makes budgeting feel effortless. For instance, consider using a software that automatically tracks your spending in real time. These tools save you from manually inputting every transaction, giving you more time to focus on what matters. Now, you've probably heard of apps like Mint or YNAB. You need a budget. But here's the thing. Most of these tools come with limitations or unnecessary complexity. In my experience, people don't need more stress. They need simplicity. That's where PocketGuard shines. It connects to your bank accounts, automatically categorizes your transactions, and shows you exactly how much money you can spend after your bills and savings are accounted for. It's like having a financial assistant who keeps you on track without all the noise. But that's just the beginning. You know what else is important? Setting goals that align with your real financial picture. Many people start budgeting without a clear end goal. If you don't have a vision for where you want to go, how do you know when you've gotten there? This is why Good Budget is a game changer. It helps you allocate money for specific spending goals, like saving for a vacation or paying down credit card debt. It forces you to be proactive, not reactive. And in my own experience, setting goals with a clear budget tracker has dramatically increased my financial success. Another tool that's helped me reduce the guesswork and the stress is EveryDollar. What I like about it is the clean, user-friendly interface. It's simple but powerful. You start by setting up your monthly budget based on income, then it helps you allocate everything: fixed costs, savings, and even discretionary spending. The best part? The app syncs with your bank account and automatically populates your transactions. That's a huge time saver, and the simplicity is exactly why it works. Now, here's the kicker. What happens when your income fluctuates or unexpected expenses pop up? We all know that life doesn't follow a perfect budget. That's where Zeta comes in. Zeta is perfect for couples, allowing both partners to collaborate on budgeting in real time. Whether you're splitting expenses or tracking joint savings goals, Zeta adapts to your needs without creating confusion. I can't tell you how many times I've had couples come to me, frustrated with their finances because one person was tracking one thing and the other was tracking something else. Zeta solves that issue. There's also something I learned along the way. Budgeting is as much about mindset as it is about the tools. If you're not in the right frame of mind, no app will save you. One principle I found that works for a lot of people is automating as much as possible. Set up automatic transfers to savings, for example, so that you're not even tempted to spend the money. Tools like Chime or Simple do this effortlessly. They automatically round up your purchases and save the difference for you. I've been using this trick for years, and it really adds up without you even realizing it. So why does all this matter? Well, many people try to force themselves into rigid budgets that don't reflect their real financial lives. These tools make budgeting something you can adjust, track, and optimize over time. Instead of fearing your financial situation, you'll gain the confidence to take control of it. And the best part? None of these tools are incentivized by affiliate links, so you're getting honest recommendations based on what actually works. No hidden agendas, just solid advice to help you manage your finances better. If this video helped you understand how to replace budgeting stress with confidence, I'd love for you to subscribe. It's that simple. You'll be supporting content that's built to help you, without any affiliate commissions or hidden motives. And if you've gotten value from this video, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from learning about these tools. Remember, the right tool can make all the difference. So stop stressing and start budgeting smarter.